Today we've got some fantastic celeriac, British, always good, use British where possible. So celeriac, we're going to do some celeriac steaks with a spiced couscous. We'll start off by preparing the celeriac into some steaks. Get your celeriac, just take the top and the bottom off. Then we're looking probably about 2 centimetre steaks. And then with a pastry cutter, cut those out. Then you should be left with some nice steaks like this, nice round. Just get your potato peeler, just take that edge, go around the sides. So you have your steaks ready to go. Put the pan on medium heat, splash of oil in the pan. Bring that up to temperature. To accompany the steaks, we're going to do some spiced couscous. So I've got 200 grams of raw couscous. I've got a teaspoon of garam masala, a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and a teaspoon of cumin. That goes straight into the couscous. Just give that a little stir, just to bring that all the way through. Put our couscous with our spices in a bowl. Just get some boiling water out of the kettle. Cover that. Like I say, about a centimetre over the top. Give that a quick little stir. Put that to one side and just cover it with a plate. We're back to our celeriac. Pan's on nice and warm. Celeriac goes straight in. Then in a separate pan, we'll do a little bit of a base of a sauce. Again, splash of oil. We've got half an onion, finely diced. That can go in there. Clove of garlic, that goes in there as well. The onion and the garlic cooked down nicely. We've got 50 grams of shredded kale, that goes into that pan. So in this pan we've got the kale, with the shallots and the garlic cooking down nicely. And this one we've got the celeriac, cooking away slowly on there. Get some nice colour onto those. Also got one carrot, which I've used a potato peeler and just turned it into ribbons. That goes in with the kale. So, celeriac's getting a nice bit of colour on there now. So we just need to cook those through. We'll just pop the lid on the top of there and leave these going about 5 minutes. We've taken the kale off the heat now. It's cooked through nicely. We'll just leave that to one side. So far we've got the couscous and we've got the kale and the carrots, and the celeriac's cooking through nicely. Celeriac's starting to soften up slightly now. So now we've got veg bouillon, just the stock. Cube there, just powder that. We've got some white wine, that goes in there as well. And we've got 2 teaspoons of harissa seasoning. That goes in there as well. Drop a bit of water in there. Again, pop the lid back on, let those cook away in those spices. Those steaks now softened up nicely, and we'll just turn up the heat to really caramelise that off. And then I've got a little bit of maple syrup. I've got a tablespoon of maple syrup in there. They have celeriac steaks, spiced couscous.